Hey, bonjour tout le monde. Désolé, je ne suis pas là. Sorry, I'm not there. Having major crises left and right, but it'll be okay. This is Les Plats from Français 3, le 12 Novembre, using indirect and direct object pronouns. You and your friends are trying to plan your meals before going grocery shopping. Rewrite each sentence, replacing the direct objects with indirect object pronouns. Okay. So direct objects with direct object pronouns. This is all direct. So sorry about that. So direct is who's doing the verb. Like, I ate the cake. What did I eat? The cake. The cake is the direct object. I see Bob. Who do I see? Bob. He's the direct object. It's like, what's being verbed? Numéro 1. Lundi, Caroline me prépare ses fameux escargots. Monday, Caroline prepared me her famous snails. What did she prepare? Prepare the snails. And direct objects, it's me, te, nous, vous, and then le, la, les. So what do you think? Le, la, les for ces fameux escargots? Right, it's les. So you can replace them with les. And it's going to go, it goes direct and then indirect. Indirect, direct. So me stays the same. Les goes right in front of the verb. So Caroline me les prépare. Think ID, indirect, direct. So Caroline prepared me, them, the snails. Numéro 2. Mardi, Fatima t'offre le déjeuner. What did she offer? Lunch, le déjeuner. What could you replace le déjeuner with? Le, la, or les? Right, le, because it's le déjeuner. So, and it's going to go right in front of the verb. Remember, indirect, which is already in there. They just have you doing the direct object in this exercise. So we're going to have Fatima te l'offre. And the le turns into L apostrophe in front of a vowel. And that's why the T was a T apostrophe in front of the offre. Now it's te l'offre. Mardi, Nadine lui apporte le dîner. So Nadine brought you dinner. What did she bring you? Dinner. What could you replace le dîner with? Le, la, or les? Right, le. And so it's going to go after the Louis. So Nadine le lui apporte. All right, pause this and try the next couple ones. Mercredi, Nordine nous cuisine ses fruits de mer à la crème. So she cooked us what? Her seafood. Ses fruits de mer à la crème. We could replace ses fruits de mer à la crème with le, la, or les. What do you think? Les. So Nordine, nous les cuisine. Jeudi, Marc vous donne la salade de champignons. What did he give you? A mushroom salad. So you could replace sa salade de champignons with le, la, or les. What do you think? It's feminine because of the sa, so la. So Marc vous la donne. Marc vous la donne. And vendredi, Mélanie leur prépare sa soupe de légumes. What did she prepare? The vegetable soup. And it's sa soupe de légumes. So you replace it with la. So Mélanie la le prépare. Anything else? Oh, there's 7. Samedi, vous nous donnez vos fruits. You give us your fruits. What are you giving us? Your fruits. They are plural. So le, la, or les, it's going to be les. So vous nous les donnez. You give us them. You give us them. Vous nous les donnez. And oui, dimanche, ils lui font les courses. They make us, or either do the shopping or they do the classes. Probably it's the shopping in this chapter. So they are doing what? Les cours. What do you replace with? Le, la, or les? Les. So ils les lui font. And there's a big chart I'll show you in the PowerPoint on what the order is, just in case you're a little confused there. So, all right, c'est tout.